Well, that tree's gonna fall above this one.
We started in 2012, but it isn't even 2011 yet.
You filming?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, but we're not gonna make it, Lyle.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we can. Go fast enough.
Yeah, dude, let's go. Now, come on.
Thank you.
Jesus.
You come with me? Yeah.
I know, just fuck the tree. Look at it, man. Look at this car being stopped up there.
No, because their car came this way and there's a big pile of cars in there.
Oh.
So I had to back up.
Yeah. I filmed that.
Yeah, I've been this wood.
What?
Forget how I've been to it. Here, go.
That's railing. Keep going?
Yeah, just go fast.
Past it?
Just go fast. So you should have, and now you have to look at that.
Yeah, keep going. Not so fast.